Namaste friends. Today we are going to start 2.5 book review Swami and Friends by R.K. Narayan, and this is warmer activity on distance mode. Because you are at home, it would be fun last year when we were together in the classroom and we would do pair activities and group activities. After the discussion, one of the members of each group would come in the front and share the discussion. So that would be a real fun, and it was brainstorming session. Now here I can't get your feedback immediately face to face, but anyway, we are trying to overcome COVID-19 pandemic and hope very soon it will come to an end, and again we will be back to our classrooms. Okay, so anyway, warmer activity, book review, Swami and Friends. Every one of you have read many books apart from your textbooks or course books. You have read many books from library or books available at your home. So every one of you must have your favorite book, the most favorite book. I have also my favorite book. This is the most favorite book, Wings of Fire. Now I am going to tell you about this book. This is an autobiography of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. Kalam has written his autobiography, and Mr. Arun Tiwari, who had worked over a decade in the guidance of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam in DRDL Hyderabad, he assisted Dr. Kalam to write this book. This is the most motivating book for every reader. This book has been published by Universities Press. As I told you, this is an autobiography of Dr. Kalam. The writing style of Dr. Kalam and Arun Tiwari is very simple. So though many happenings in the book are related to the journey of DRDO, journey of ISRO, the history of ISRO, many scientific terms are described in a very simple way that the reader who has no science background can easily understand the book. The most motivational factor is a child from a very common family at the last point of India, Rameshwaram, who spends his childhood days there in Rameshwaram, like every common child, learns over there, completes his elementary education in Rameshwaram, and in a diverse social environment with great harmony, and then leaves his village, his town Rameshwaram, and goes to Chennai, Tiruchirappalli for the next higher education, completes his degree in Chennai, and with aspiration as any youth in India, when he was in search of a job, he wanted to be a pilot. Again, the reference is in his childhood, what is described in the book. And you have studied it, I hope, in standard 8th. There was some part of this book in English textbook, standard 8th. In his childhood, Dr. Kalam had seen a dream, and there is certain reference the seagulls would fly over the sea in Rameshwaram. He would watch the flying seagulls in the sky of Rameshwaram, and he was captivated. He was attracted towards the flying seagulls, and he had seen the dream in his childhood while watching the flying seagulls. Someday in future he wanted to fly like them. So he wanted to be a pilot. When he had completed his graduation, but the future of India had something else, and he was appointed in ISRO, and his career was started in ISRO, and then his identity as the missile man of India. He invented many missiles which are now very important for the defense services of India. He gave his the best contributions not only for ISRO, not only for DRDO, but he motivated lakhs of youth in the country, inspired them to see big dreams and to pursue, to realize the dreams, to make them come true. Later on he became the president, and again his identity, he was not the president like other presidents of India. He is known as the people's president. So this book is the strongest motivation to every reader. So this is all about my favorite book, what I was telling you. Hope. The same way you will now prepare to tell about your favorite book to your friends or to your family members. I would like to suggest you some steps, at least some steps, how to take a review of your favorite book. First you tell the name of the book, means title of the book. Then author, who has written that book. Type of book, means as I told you, Wings of Fire is an autobiography. Some books are biographies, means written by other writers. Then novels, informative texts, travelogues. So there are different kinds of books. So what type of book is it? This is very important step when reviewing the book or taking review of the book. Then background. What is the background of the book? In the sense, the short summary of the book. What is it about? And then its writing style. As I told you, the person who has no science background can easily understand many concepts of DRDO and ISRO, which are related to science and inventions, are easily understood by the reader, because the language used in the autobiography Wings of Fire by the writer Dr. Kalam and Arun Tiwari is very simple language. So what kind of writing style you find in the book? Simple or complicated or what? And what message does it give? So message is very important. As I told you, this book gives the message to every youth in the country to see big dream, plan the actions and pursue to make it true in life, to realize that dream, to achieve the goal in short. So this book is really very motivational. So motivation to the youth for realizing the dreams is the message from this book. So from your favorite book, what message is given, you have to write here. So these are the 6 points. With the help of these points, I hope it will be easy for you to review your favorite book, and this is important task for you. Please do it with your friends or family members. When we will be back to school, some of you will be asked to present your book review in front of the class. So hope you will do it. Thank you. Friends, we have another activity in the warm-up session that is related to English language study and grammar, determiners. Now what are determiners? Let us see. Determiners are, means these are. Determiners are the words that modify a noun or noun phrase and occur before them in a sentence. They means determiners provide a context. The noun they precede means come before. Precede means come before or happen before. So we have an example. We have some books. Now books is the noun and the word some is quantifier. How many books? We do not know exactly. So it is quantifier, and this quantifier is used as determiner for the noun books. Some books. So some is here determiner. Actually it is quantifier, but here it works as determiner. So let us see which category of words function as determiner. See through a web. So these are the determiners. Articles are the determiners, a and the. Then demonstratives, this, that, these, those, which, etc. These are the demonstratives and they function as determiners in the sentence with noun or noun phrase. Then possessives, my, your, or, their, 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 his, her. So these possessives also function as determiners. Then quantifiers, as I gave an example of some, is quantifier. There are few more quantifiers, few, many, much, more, some, every. So these are the quantifiers and they function as determiner. And again numerals, 1, 4, 100, first, fourth. So ordinal numbers, first and fourth, last, hundredth, thousandth. So these are the numerals and they also function as determiners. So these are the examples of determiners. If you study them and find in every sentence, so you will understand the actual function of determiner with the help of the definition that we have seen before this. So in the description of this video, you will be given a task to read the sentences and find the determiners and write the determiners from every sentence. So do it, this activity as homework task and read the text Swami and Friends by R.K. Narayan. So tomorrow we will have paraphrasing on the text. This text is to be read by you independently. There will be no audio recording of the reading will be provided. You have to read. This is for self-reading. This text is for self-reading. You need to read yourselves. Thank you.